Hey everyone, in this video I show you how you can add sound effects to your animations in FlipaClip. But before that, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like so you don't miss any more tutorials. And now, let's begin. At the beginning you start your browser and then search for Splat. And then you can click on the first link. And first of all, you have to create an account, and then you can search for any possible sounds you need. So I have logged into my account, and now I can search for a sound for this tutorial. And I want a fire sound, so I click on the search bar and search for cinematic fire. And then you can click on the play button to listen to the sound. And if you want to have the sound, you can click on MP3 and then download MP3. If you're animating on your phone, you can skip to that time I'm showing right now. So after the download is finished, you can close your browser and open Bluestacks. Then go to My Games and then click on System Apps and open your Media Manager. Now click on Import from Windows. Then it should open your File Explorer. And now go to Downloads and then select your sound. And now you can click Open. And after a short time, it should appear in your Media Manager. The next step is that you open FlipaClip and then choose the animation in which you want to add the sound. Next you can click on the small sound icon in the bottom left corner. Now it will open the soundbar, and when you click on the red plus on the right side, it will show 3 different symbols, and you have to click on the first one. Next you can click right there and then scroll all the way down to your sound effect. And there it is. So there you can see the length of your sound effect, and you can also cut it a little bit by moving this red bars forward or backward on the left and right side. And if you're not sure if it's really the right sound, you can also listen to it again. And when you're done, you can click right there. And now you can move it wherever you want in this different layers. And by clicking on this sound icon, you can mute every single sound you put in your animations. And when you click on one of the other sound icons, you can just mute the sound effect that is set in this layer. But when you click on it and hold it, you can move up or down to make the sound in this layer louder or quieter. And by clicking on the lock, you will save the sound that is set in the layer so that you cannot do anything in there. So now when you click on your sound, you can cut it like before with the red bars by moving it forward or backward. And when you hold your sound with your finger or your mouse, you can move it again wherever you want. Now by clicking on it twice, you will see 4 different symbols. And with the first symbol, you can just copy your sound effect. The second symbol will cut your sound in 2 parts at the same place where the red line can be seen. The third one is just for deleting the sound effect. And with the last one, you can just rename your sound effect, and I will name it fire. And then you click on update. And at the end, I want that the sound is on the right place, so I move that there, and that there, and now hopefully it sounds good. And that's it. This is how you can add sounds to your FlipaClip animations. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more tutorials, and I see you in the next video.